Thank you for scheduling a telehealth appointment with a Temple Health clinician. In this video, we will go through the step-by-step process of joining your Zoom telehealth appointment with your clinician. On the day of your appointment, we recommend logging into the Zoom platform 10 to 15 minutes early. We also suggest finding a quiet and private location with plenty of light for your appointment. When it is time to log in, please click on the appointment link that was sent to you via text message. This should have been sent to you on the day you scheduled your appointment after the scheduler helped you download Zoom to your phone. You should have also received a few reminder texts before your appointment with the link. Once you click this link, Zoom should launch on your phone. From here, please enter your full name and email address and click the OK button. At this time, you may see a pop-up asking if Zoom can have access to your microphone. Please select the OK option so your clinician can hear you. You may also see a pop-up asking if you would like to receive notifications from Zoom. This does not include messages from your clinician, so you can select the Don't Allow option. Once you have done this, you will be placed into the clinician's virtual waiting room, where you will wait until the clinician is ready to see you. Your clinician might run a few minutes behind, but they will see you as close to your scheduled appointment time as possible. Once your clinician is ready to see you, they will admit you into their virtual exam room. At this time, Zoom will display a prompt on your phone that says, "To hear others, please join audio." Please select the option, "Call using internet audio." If your physician has trouble hearing or seeing you, please use your finger to click on the bottom of the screen. When you do this, a bar with icons should appear at the bottom of the screen. If your clinician cannot hear you and there is a red line over the microphone icon, please click on the microphone icon to turn on your sound. If your clinician cannot see you and there is a red line over the camera icon, please click on the camera icon to turn on your video. When you are finished with your appointment, you can click on the Leave button, or your clinician may do so for you. We hope this video helped you understand how to join your telehealth appointment. If you have any questions before or during your appointment, please contact your clinician's office.